Green Cloud Art Box by the Abide Park DIY Art Park at Zinc, Abercrombie in Venice. There's the Irwan chest wall, DIY chest wall, and a short cruise up Abercrombie. Another art wall, secret art wall. I'm going to show you. Here we are heading north up Abercrombie. Wabi Sabi, Rest in Power, one of Loop Check's favorite spots. We're open. It says we're open. Oh, okay. They're open. Loop Check. 3:15, almost 3:20, which is 4:20 Mountain Time, I think. 4:20 somewhere. Houston, Denver, somewhere. Dallas, Scottsdale. There's some art. All right, so here's the brig. Oh, there's some Abercrombie street art. Need money for rent. A lot of classic street art up in here. Keith Haring vibes. Nice trees, bamboo. So here we are in the back of the brig. There it is. Ooh, like the wind, like the wind. Here we are. It's fresh street art wall. Let's see what we got. Muck rock. Cool. All right, let's slap something up.